cooking and recipes. Today we will practice how to discuss cooking in English. Let's get started. Guacamole and chicken tacos. Hey Jake, do you want to learn how to make guacamole and use it in chicken tacos? Hi, Emily. That sounds delicious. I'd love to learn. What do we need? For the guacamole, we need ripe avocados, a lime, a tomato, an onion, cilantro, and salt. For the tacos, we need chicken breast, taco seasoning, tortillas, and any other toppings you like. Great! How do we start with the guacamole? First, cut the avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Got it. What's next? Mash the avocados with a fork until it's mostly smooth, but still a bit chunky. Okay, done. What do we add next? Finely chop the tomato and onion and add them to the bowl. Then, chop some cilantro and add that too. All right. How much cilantro should I use? About a handful should be enough. Now, cut the lime in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Got it. Anything else? Just add a pinch of salt to taste and mix everything together. That's it for the guacamole. This looks and smells amazing. Now how do we make the chicken tacos? First, cut the chicken breast into thin strips. Then season the chicken with taco seasoning. Okay. Should I cook the chicken next? Yes. Heat a bit of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook until it's fully cooked, about 5 to 7 minutes. The chicken is done. What's the next step? Warm up the tortillas in a dry pan or microwave for a few seconds. Then place some chicken on each tortilla. That's easy. How do we finish the tacos? Add a spoonful of guacamole on top of the chicken, and then any other toppings you like, such as lettuce, cheese, or salsa. These look fantastic. Thanks for teaching me, Emily. You're welcome. Now enjoy your guacamole and chicken tacos. Key vocabulary and phrases. Cut in half. Remove the pits. Scoop the flesh. Mash. Finely chop. Season. Cook until fully cooked. Warm up. Chicken Alfredo pasta. Hey Mark, have you ever made chicken Alfredo pasta before? Hey Sarah. No, I haven't, but I've always wanted to try. Is it hard to make? Not at all. It's actually pretty easy and super delicious. Plus, your kitchen will smell amazing. Do you want to give it a shot? Definitely. What do we need? We need chicken breast, fettuccine pasta, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, garlic, butter, salt, pepper, and some parsley for garnish. Sounds good. Where do we start? First, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the fettuccine according to the package instructions. It should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, I'm on it. What about the chicken? While the pasta is cooking, cut the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Season them with salt and pepper. Done. What's next? In a large skillet, melt some butter over medium heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they're golden brown and cooked through. Doesn't it smell great already? It smells amazing. The chicken looks nice and golden. What's the next step? Now, remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add a bit more butter and minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for about a minute until it's fragrant. Wow, the garlic smells incredible. What do we do next? Pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. Let it cook for a few minutes until it starts to thicken. This is looking really good. What about the cheese? Yes, now gradually stir in the grated Parmesan cheese until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Make sure to keep stirring so it doesn't clump. The sauce looks so creamy and delicious. What's next? Add the cooked fettuccine to the skillet and toss it in the sauce until it's well coated. Then add the cooked chicken back into the pan and mix everything together. This looks fantastic. The pasta is perfectly coated with the sauce. Finally, sprinkle some chopped parsley on top for a fresh touch. And we're done. How does it look and smell? It looks amazing and smells even better. I can't wait to taste it. Thanks for teaching me, Sarah. You're welcome, Mark. Enjoy your chicken Alfredo pasta. It's a simple dish, but it's so satisfying. Key vocabulary and phrases. Bring to a boil. Cook according to the package instructions. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Season with salt and pepper. Melt butter. Golden brown. Sauté until fragrant. Simmer. Gradually stir in. Coated with the sauce. Chopped parsley. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.